Giraffe earnings are not a fixed monthly payment because rewards depend on the games available, how often you play, and which milestones you complete inside the app. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how Giraffe earnings work, what affects your monthly results, and how to get a more realistic idea of what you could earn. The first thing to understand is that Giraffe does not pay a set amount every month. Your rewards come from playing eligible mobile games through the app and completing qualifying activities. Two users can have completely different results because they may see different games, spend different amounts of time playing, and reach different reward milestones. The main factor is game selection. When you open Giraffe, the available games are based on your account, device, and current offers. Some games may provide more opportunities to earn than others, because their reward requirements are different. Before spending hours on a game, check what actions are required, and whether the reward goals match your playing style. The second factor is consistency. Giraffe works best for people who already enjoy mobile gaming. If you only open the app occasionally, your rewards will usually be limited because earning depends on continued gameplay. If you regularly play eligible games, you have more chances to complete reward activities. The third factor is tracking. Correct installation matters. You need to install games through the Giraffe app so the platform can connect your gameplay to the reward system. Installing a game separately and opening it later may prevent your progress from being counted. A good way to measure your own potential earnings is to track your results instead of relying on someone else's screenshots or claims. Record how long you play, which games you choose, and how quickly you complete reward requirements. After using the app consistently, you'll have a clearer picture of what it produces for your own habits. So, how much did I actually make? The answer depends on the games available and the time spent using the app. There is no universal monthly amount because Giraffe rewards are based on individual activity rather than a guaranteed income. The main points are simple. Giraffe rewards gameplay, earnings depend on the offers available to your account, and consistent tracking gives you the most accurate expectation. If you want to test it, start with games you would actually enjoy playing, follow the installation steps carefully, and measure your own results over time. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more app reviews, and check out the next guide.